People across Pakistan observe 5th of February as Kashmir Solidarity Day. The day is observed to highlight the issue of Indian occupation of the Muslim-majority state, besides expressing full support to the freedom struggle by the Kashmiris against the Indian occupant army. And another major reason this day is observed is to ensure their right to self-determination guaranteed by UN resolutions over 6 decades ago. Different political, social and religious organizations have held rallies, public meetings, conferences and seminars across the country to highlight the significance of the day. While being grateful of the Pakistani nation for the observance of this day, Kashmiris are not entirely happy with the Kashmir policy of the present PPP-led government.
Their support, substantial support, diplomatic, moral, political, to the ongoing freedom struggle on the soil of Kashmir. This, in every respect, this is a very encouraging setup. Unfortunately, the policy of the government of Pakistan can be questioned. It is said that apologetic policy of President Musharraf is being still followed, and definitely, unless there is crystal clear divergence from pro-Musharraf policy, this approach will not satisfy the people of Kashmir.
Meanwhile, the Azad Jammu and Kashmir government is also skeptical about the Kashmir policy of the present government of Pakistan.
These events also are very significant of having a human chain between the people of Azad and people of Pakistan. But at the same time, we also need, you are right, that we should have a very clear-cut foreign policy towards this Kashmir issue. They should have a very permanent foreign policy, and Kashmir should again be the cornerstone of the foreign policy of Pakistan.
Yet the fact remains, the observance of this day is a morale booster for the people of Indian held Kashmir who are struggling to achieve their birthright of self-determination. Pakistan has always showed solidarity with the people of Kashmir, but Azad Kashmir's political leadership wants Islamabad to pursue a more effective diplomatic strategy on the issue. Many of them complain that Pakistan has put this dispute with India on the back burner. Sammer Abbas, DawnNews, Muzaffrabad, Azad Kashmir.